Hello guys, good morning. So today I'm going to start a Spark Scala series. Here I will cover the Spark batch processing and Spark streaming part, and I'm using a IDE as Eclipse, and you can also use Eclipse or IntelliJ. There is you can say not much difference in developments. Okay, and I will use language as a Scala in Spark development, but Spark has a API in four languages: Java, Scala, Python, and R. Okay, so in my case, I will use Spark Scala. So first of all, we need to choose a IDE. So I have choose uh, Eclipse. Okay, so first we need to create a project. Okay, so we will use a Maven project. Okay, so first of all we will create a Maven project. By default it create a Maven Java project. So for Maven projects we will click on file and then new, and then click on project, and then click on Maven project and next, and then click on create a simple project and then next. Okay, and here you can write the group id. So always remember, group id should be reverse of your domain name. com dot bigwell tech dot spark. Okay, and artifact id you can give as spark scala demo या tutorial. Spark scala tutorial, you can give the project name. Okay, and then finish. So it takes time to create a Maven project. So Spark Scala project has been created, and you can see here uh, on the folder the J symbol is available. That's mean this is a Maven Java project. Okay, so by default Maven Java project is created. Okay, so for Scala development, so we need to convert that Maven Java project into a Scala Maven project. So then click right click on the projects and convert, and then config, and then add Scala natures. Okay, so Scala library is added. Okay, and here we use a Scala 2.12.3 version. Okay, so by default it create a Java project. So it create a Java folder within main and within you can say test. Okay, so we will write our code in main, and we will write our unit testing in test. Okay, for Scala we need to create a same folder. So for that, right click on that and go to the build path and config build path, and then click on source and add folder, and click on main, and then click on create new folder and write Scala, and then no, something goes wrong. So click on add folder, and then click on main and click on Scala. Yeah, Scala folder is available. Click on test and Scala. Write Scala and finish. Okay. Okay. Apply and close. So you can see Scala test Scala folder available within test, Scala folder available in main, and you can also delete this folder. There is no need. Okay, if you want to use some Java code, so we can write here. Okay, so you can write both code, Java and Scala codes. Okay, so for Scala we will create a package within Scala. So here you can create a package com dot tag dot spark and finish. Within package we need to create a Scala object. So for that I'm creating main named as a Scala object and finish. It's creating. Just wait. Yeah. So main object is created, and then we write a main method. So just type main and control and space. So you will get the, and then click on main and then enter. Okay, so main is added, and you can print any message. So I am printing hello world. Okay, and we are going to run program to test our project is working fine or not. So just go here and click on run and run Scala applications, and you can see in the same message we are getting on console. So there is no issue in the projects, and we have created project successfully. In the next tutorial I will show you how you can commit this you can say project on the git. Okay, so that's it for this video, and if you like this video you can subscribe my channels. Thank you.